Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you what does archive all chat mean. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, archive chat on a WhatsApp means that you are hiding it from your main chat list and without deleting it permanently. When you archive a chat, it will disappear from the main list and you can still access to it later by going to the archive section. So archiving a chat can be useful if you want to declutter your chat list or hide a conversation that you don't want to see anymore. You can archive individual chat or a group chat, but you cannot archive individual messages within a chat. So to archive all chats at once, you can go to the WhatsApp setting. Now tap on the chats. Now then chat history, and you can see and finally archive all chats. So it is important to note that archiving a chat does not delete permanently and you can still receive messages from the archive chats. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.